When considering investment platforms, two popular options are Etoro and Vanguard, each catering to different needs and investment strategies. Etoro is a trading platform that offers a wide range of markets, including cryptocurrencies, stocks, commodities, currencies, and ETFs, along with social features such as copy trading. This allows users to find and replicate the investment styles of others, based on factors like risk score or specific investment focus, making it a viable option for those who want to invest without actively managing their portfolio. Additionally, Etoro provides access to analyst forecasts and price targets for specific stocks, enabling users to make informed investment decisions. In contrast, Vanguard is an investment platform that is better suited for long-term investing. It is an ideal choice for beginners who are looking to invest for retirement or other long-term goals. One key feature that sets Vanguard apart is the ability to open an IRA account, which allows for tax-deferred investing and provides an easy way to save for retirement. This means that investors can contribute a certain amount of money each year without incurring taxes on their gains. For short-term investors or those seeking a wide range of investment products and social features, Etoro may be the more suitable option. However, for long-term investing and retirement planning, Vanguard is likely the better choice due to its tax benefits and focus on long-term growth. Ultimately, the choice between Etoro and Vanguard depends on individual investment goals and strategies.